nothing special, but it's in a good area. Alright, it's time to dip out. You know, Calgary's a nice city, you know, but it's time for me to dip out. Alright, I got here last night. I haven't saw much of Calgary. But right now, we're going to go to Banff. It's gonna take a little pit stop in Canmore. See what it's about. Again, Canmore's a little town almost to Banff, in between Calgary and Banff. I'm just checking it out. You know? Nice little spot. It's all good. All right, so Banff now. You have to pay to get to day pass? $10. All right. If you're driving through, you don't have to pay, but if you're gonna go in and check everything out, you gotta pay. Well, this is Banff. It looks pretty live. Finally in Banff, just checking it out, just walking. See what's good with this. Body shop, with all those things here. Everything's in, man. That's just lit. All right, this is it, Lake Louise. Just left from eating breakfast. It was all right. It was good. Give me one piece of toast, but on my way to Edmonton now, check my boy.
In 300 meters, turn left onto McLeod Trail Southeast.
My friend's neighborhood. Friend's crib. It's doing good, man. From a hood in Bay Mills to now.
In 800 meters, turn left onto Boudreaux Road.
All right, so just leaving Edmonton now. You see it's all the haze because it's the forest fires from BC. You could also smell it. That's like a smoky, like charcoal smell, man. You know, these forest fires are serious, man. But I'm on my way back to Calgary right now. A 3-hour drive. Just leaving Edmonton now, yo.